Hi guys, it's Camille and I am back with another video. This is a different video, it's a lot better because I realized how people were having so much issues with their Kim Kardashian game. And this is probably gonna send most of my viewers through the roof with anger. But at least I found it. I'm sorry for all the inconvenience you guys had with the last video. Some had good outcomes, some didn't. But this, it's not bound to be for everyone. It's probably not going to work for everyone, but it should work for some because I have the most retarded phone on the planet and it's working for me. So, yeah. What this is how to get free in-app purchases on Android with no root at all. So I'm going to show you what I did from the beginning. I went on to Google, where you can go on whatever search engine you like, and I typed in, where's my keyboard, how to download Lucky Patcher. If you guys, I Google would be better with Google, but it's able to find it still. It comes up with this thing on Google that says, open app drawer on Android device and open the Lucky Patcher app. Da 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 da. Pretty much, and then it gives you a link to the official, actual version, I should say, of Lucky Patcher. I am currently running Android 4.3. So when you get to this screen, it should take you to this screen. You're gonna click download. It's gonna send you to this page. Let me remind you, it only works with things that are like, you're gonna see it when the page opened a different page that I did not want. Here it is, this page. It's going up with this page. And you're going to see all these different versions you can download. This part is Android 2.0 up, like up from 2.0. And this is Android 1 up, like versions higher than that. I was looking for version 4.3. But it only goes down to 4.6. So what I did, instead of going ahead and download the version 5.9, since I'm nowhere close to that version, whatever version your phone is, find that version, download that version. But if you can't find your phone like I did, I downloaded the least number, which would be closer to my version. You get what I'm trying to say? Get the version that is closer to your version if you can't find your exact version. So all you're going to do is click download, and it's going to come up with a little download thing up here that's going to be showing you that it's loading, like if you were to download an app. And then when you're done, you're going to need to delete your game. What I did, because I did not want to delete my games, what you should try to do is go into the App Store and get a game that you know you need to buy, like that accepts in-app purchases, and download that game and test out this thing before you go ahead and delete your game. That's what I did, and it worked. So then I went ahead and deleted my game, and it really works. And then my phone is ringing. I'll be back, guys. So I'm back, guys, and like I was saying, yeah, try to test it out with a version, like a different game, so you don't like mess up your game, is what I'm trying to say. And when the Lucky Patcher is done downloading at the top, you're gonna get an icon and you're just gonna open it. This little smiley icon right here called Lucky Patcher, and it's gonna look like this. It's gonna have all your apps right here. It tells you whether there's something to patch or not. These are clearly the apps that you have nothing to patch with because there's no in-app purchases. There's none of that stuff. But then you go up and then you can look and it shows you what you need to patch. It says that Google advertisements were found. In-app purchases and advertisements were found. In-app purchases, but this time what I'm going to do, which I recommend for you guys to do, I didn't think about this one earlier, is to try it on an app that you could sign in and sign out of. Like if you backed up your stuff, try it on an app like Snapchat, because now you have to buy the filters that they took off. Try it on those apps that you can sign in and sign out of and won't lose all your progress. So I'm going to try it on Snapchat. So you're going to click the app you want it to do for, and you're going to open, which is the third one depending on the type of phone you have or server you're running. Oh, that didn't sound right, but anyways, open menu of patches, and then you're going to click create modified APK file. And I'm pretty sure this is how people create like mod games. Like they'll just buy a whole lot of money and then create it as a mod and put it. I don't know, just guessing. You guys can probably try it though, but don't do that, you might get arrested. You know what, back to the video. Click it should be the third one, which is APK rebuilded for in-app and LVL emulation. Some big words. You're gonna click that, and it should come up with these two things depending on the type of phone you have. I've seen on other people's devices where it comes up with a whole long list, and these two are the ones that are checked right now. Must be checked or else it won't work. Support patch for in-app emulation and support patch for LVL emulation. If yours comes up with a long list, it should be the two at the top, but if it's not, read through and see if you find it and make sure those two are checked, and then you're gonna click rebuild my application. It's gonna tell you to please wait. Mine usually comes up with this thing that I don't want to see, and if it does come up with this thing that I don't want to see, I will show you, because it takes quite a while to download. If it doesn't come up with it, I'll tell you what it says. So see you guys then. So this is what I was talking about, guys. If you get this little rebuild summary thing, don't worry about it. Don't go along with it. Just click OK. Click OK. You probably won't get it on the first try. I get it because I've already done multiple apps. I'm pretty sure that's why I get it. But if it's your first time, you probably won't get it. But along the way, you probably will get it, especially if your device is not rooted. So you're going to click open menu. You're going to just do the same process over and over. We're just going to repeat the process over. And when it's done, it doesn't take 5 minutes. It doesn't take 10 minutes, depending on your Wi-Fi, but it doesn't take that long, but it takes a while to have you guys on. So guys, I'm back. This is what you should get: patch results, pattern NI success, pattern N3 success, and pattern N2 and N4 just didn't want to do it, so they failed. But don't worry about this. This is not a problem. You're going to click go to file, and you're going to click on the file. It says it right there. You're going to click on that, and you're going to click uninstall and install. Like I told you, it comes with some risks, so try it on an app before you actually try it on your game. You're going to click OK. It's uninstalling it. This is my favorite app of all time. Like, all time. I don't know why it's taking so long to uninstall, but okay. And then it's going to come up with this. This should be familiar to you guys if you guys have watched my Kim Kardashian cheats, Clash of Clans cheats, all my other cheats. It should be familiar. This is here because your device should not, if it doesn't come up with this, then you probably have allowed it, but your device should not be allowed to download any other apps from anywhere else. The only app that should be able to be downloaded is apps from Google Play. This is what it's technically trying to tell you. So if you want to download apps from other places, this will have to be allowed. So you're going to click unknown sources, and then you're going to click OK. If you don't want to see this whole thing again, click OK. But if you don't mind seeing it over and over again, click allow installation only, which I do because I have videos and I want you guys to see the whole 9 yards. So yeah, and then I'm going to click next and install. and it takes quite a while to install for some reason. I don't know why, and I don't know why I can't click on it. There it is, because the recorded by MobiZen thing is right there, and it was kind of blocking it, you know. Oops. My phone fell, guys. I'll be back when it's done installing. So I'm back, guys, and it's done installing. I'm just gonna click open, sign in, and then, you know, come back to you, I guess, if you want. Yeah, I don't want you guys. You know what? I don't even care. This is what it looks like. So, oh god, no, my face, guys, no. So as you guys can see, this is my bra. You can, you know, stay right there, stay right there. These are the filters that Snapchat normally has, and mine is very slow, as you can see. So these are the ones. I have no idea where the 99-cent ones are. Like, what is going on? So I'm gonna try to see if I can find them, and I'll be back. Guys, what I ended up having to do, because my Snapchat wouldn't log in, so I just created a new one, and that Snapchat wouldn't show me all the 99-cent filters and stuff. So what I ended up having to do was download a little game, and then I'm gonna try. I did the whole process that I showed you guys on that game, and now I'm gonna show you if it works, you know. So where's that game? Sorry, totally forgot what game I did it on, guys. Ha 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 ha. That's fun. Okay, so let me try one of my games. Alright, let me show you one of the games I already did it on. That's more of a better idea. So this is one of the games I already did the whole process on. I did nothing less, I did nothing more than what I showed you in this video. Everything I showed you in this video is everything I did to get to this position. If it's not working for you guys, maybe try turning off your antivirus. I don't know. It was off for now. So I'm going to show you guys. You see how much coins I have in the corner and how much diamonds I have? That's because I hacked the game. So I'm going to show you guys. As you guys can see, I already purchased the 18,000, and it says it right there, but everything else is 0.0. All these are free. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it to purchase it, and it's going to come up with this lucky password billing hack. I read it, and it says send a reply to the application unsigned. This may not work for non-root users, so I did not do that. I just stuck to the save purchases for restore, which might be a better thing in case I want to change my phone, you know. So and then you click yes. On some games it's gonna say transaction failed. Some games it might not say that. So if it says transaction failed, you just do it again. Pay attention to the money. It says transaction failed, but look, you get the money. 946. Let's try it again. I have 946. Transaction failed. Now I'm at 1196, and it's working. If I can show you, because I did it on another game where actually did tell me that transaction worked, or like transaction went through and that it worked. This game is called Cooking Fever. As you guys can see, all I really do is play games because I am obsessed with games, and I'm obsessed with cooking games most of all. For some reason, they just draw my attention. So, yeah. This game is where it told me that the transaction did go through and that the transaction was complete. Right here it says, want to get more gems? You can buy them or get them for free by tapping the plus button on the left side. Yeah, I know I have the casino. I have I'm a multi-billionaire. So no, I don't. I just, just got this game. As you guys can see, I have a whole lot of coins and diamonds. So I'm going to click the plus sign like they told me to. And I'm going to click the one down here that says 99.99. Yes, this one is a little different. Some of them might be a little different. And I saw it and I was really worried when I saw it because I was like, oh my gosh, it's not going to work. But then I clicked on it and then this came up and then I clicked save purchases. And then, just give it a second to process. And then it says transaction complete. Thank you. We added coins have been added. And as you guys can see, that X amount of coins have been added. If you guys want me to do the diamonds, I'll do that as well. 4904. Sorry, I have nails on. Transaction complete and 9904 now. So I hope you guys really found this video helping. I actually found this helping because other people, I was looking at videos and other people, I was watching the videos and people seemed to be very confused and like it wasn't working for them and they were upset because they had to delete their game and stuff. But like I told you, don't do it on your game. Don't do it on your game right away. Test it out on a different game and then go ahead and do it on your game for first, like for a tester. And then if it works for the tester, maybe try it again on another one just in case, and then you can be sure and try it on your game. What I'm going to do for you guys, because I've went over my limit on my video, because it's 17 minutes and I don't want you guys to sit here for that long. I'm on the cashier game to see if it works, because a lot of people had a problem with this hack. This Kim Kardashian hack. They said that it won't open. Some people say it won't download. Mine's opens, mine's works. It's working very fine. It works perfectly. And actually my cousin is the one that plays it for me, because I don't really play it that much ever since I deleted it and I started getting into hacks, and I started using different games and doing different games and hacking different games that I've always wanted to hack, because I've always wanted money and I just couldn't get it because no one's gonna spend money on this game. Ever since I did that, I've been playing other games, so we're gonna see if it works. Oh no. So guys, hold on. We're just gonna, this is gonna take forever to go through because she left and she hasn't been here for a while. You guys can see this, they have 10% more. It looks a lot different, and wouldn't be the best because I didn't hack this game. So sorry guys, start here and watch this, but it is day. And like, comment, subscribe. I ramble a lot, I'm sorry. Tell me if you guys want to see different things, what kind of things you want to see. Leave a comment about what I did wrong, what you'd like to see differently in the video. Don't just leave me hanging, we're in this together guys. So hope you guys enjoyed and see you later. Thank you for taking 20 minutes of your time.